Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So as you know that TCS have released the offer letter to all the candidates. First of all, congratulations to all of them. But now one of the important thing, that is Initial Learning Program or ILP. What does this mean? So I will talk about complete detail about this, about the toughness and some important tips that you should keep in mind. So first of all friend, TCS ILP, that is Initial Learning Program. This is a training for fresher after joining TCS. So if you got the offer letter, then you might see on your screen that ILP eligible. It means you have been eligible for the initial learning program or training process. First of all, let me give you just brief things about the update related to results. So currently Kolkata based candidates got the result and he was having interview on 1st of April. So congratulations to all of them who got the result. And yeah, आप लोग अब देख लेंगे इस तरह से आपको अपडेट्स हो करेगा. ऑफर लेटर जनरेटेड, ऑफर लेटर एक्सेप्टेड and ILP eligible. Remember friends, whenever you got the offer letter, make sure to accept it as soon as possible, because if you will delay, then your joining or ILP program will be delayed. So don't be in late. That's the thing I want to tell. Now coming to the ILP, so it is a mandatory training for the freshers and it basically prepare you for the real project, because you know friends, when you will out from the college, then you don't have idea about the things. Okay, क्योंकि अभी most of the college ऐसा है, especially tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 कॉलेज में कोई भी जस्ट टायर 3 कॉलेज में कोई भी ऐसा कुछ आपका स्किल सेट नहीं सिखाया जाता है, एंड यू आर नॉट रेडी फॉर द इंडस्ट्री और नॉट रेडी फॉर द प्रोजेक्ट. सो दैट्स व्हाई मेनी ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, नॉट ओनली TCS बट Cognizant, Wipro, another almost every IT company give the training to freshers so that they will be good enough to be allocated the projects. Okay, so ILP is a mandatory process for every candidates who have been selected, and for the digital and ninja candidates, they will usually take the ILP for 4 to 8 weeks of the training, and for prime candidates it will be just around 1 week or 10 days training. So what is the purpose? As I have already said, technical, communication and job readiness. Technical means they will make you technical aware of all the tech stacks, mean the project which you are working on. Suppose I have talked to one of the candidates and his recording I will upload on my YouTube channel soon, and he said that if you have been allocated basically back end or full stack or one project, then accordingly आपको भाई technical training दिया जाएगा and you will be given a projects and there will be mock interview and various session will be there. Beside that आपका BH session जो कि behavioral session में होता है, मीन्स आपको मेल एटिकेट्स पढ़ाया जाएगा. सिंपली आप कहते हैं सॉफ्ट स्किल डेवलपमेंट will also be there. So technical plus soft skill will be there. So one important tip that now you should work on your communication. Try to communicate with your friend in English, and whenever you will be getting onboarded, then you have to keep in mind that you should be communicate with your colleagues and other staff in English. Okay, so you will basically job ready after doing this. Duration, as I've already said, this is 2 to 3 months depending on your role. Means minimum I think for ninja and digital it will be around 8 weeks. It might be 9 weeks, or depend on the domain. If they are providing hard domain like Android or .NET, then it might be 3 months, or most of the case 2 month training will be there. And for prime candidates, they will just give you around 10 or 2 weeks ट्रेनिंग, मीन्स अराउंड 14 to 15 डेज. तो प्राइम कैंडिडेट्स का भाई बहुत कम जाना जाता है, मीन्स उनका बहुत कम दिन का ट्रेनिंग चलता है. अगेन इट कम्प्लीटली डिपेंड ऑन द कैंडिडेट्स, डिपेंड ऑन देम, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द प्रोजेक्ट्स, व्हाट आर द प्रोजेक्ट दे गोना allocate. बट दिस इज द थिंग्स. ट्रेनिंग, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स you will be working on? You have to practice the programming. So if you are good enough in DSA, then you will not face any issue. But अगर आप DSA में अच्छे नहीं है, then you should work on it, because you might have to do coding in test. Okay, so they regularly do conduct test in around 1 week or 2 week period of time. And related to that, I will make a detailed video, no need to worry. So according to that, programming will be there, web development will be there, and you might have to develop some projects, and SQL query you might have to write. So in the interview, whatever the things you have mentioned now, so that will play a critical role. अगर आपने इंटरव्यू का अच्छे से प्रिपरेशन किया, and if you have follow our YouTube channel, then you are good enough for correcting this, and no need to worry friends. Okay, just you have to be aware of all those things. You will able to clear this. Okay, almost 95 to 98% will able to pass this test, ILP test, but 2% जो कि बहुत केयरलेस रहते हैं, they might get the thing. But yeah, still आपको 2, 3, 4 चांस तक मिल सकता है, and if you will not able to perform well, then they will refer to HR and you might be de-allocated from the TCS. So don't do that things. Okay, just be serious, and if you need any help, we can connect on LinkedIn. We will provide you the things which you want. Okay, we have lots of, means मेरा बहुत सारा फ्रेंड्स भाई TCS वगैरह में कंपनी में है ऑलरेडी, फॉर ऑल रोड निंजा डिजिटल प्राइम. सो आई विल आस्क टू देम इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम एंड विल बेसिकली प्रोवाइड यू द डिटेल. ओके, मीन्स दे विल नॉट डू एनीथिंग, बट या जो भी दिक्कत होगा आपको मैं प्रोवाइड करूँगा अपडेट किया, ये आपको ध्यान रखना है, कैसे रखना है. सो दैट्स द थिंग. सो इट माइट बी कोडिंग टेस्ट, MCQ, PRA मीन्स प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड और प्रोजेक्ट रेडीनेस अवेयरनेस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. सो कोडिंग टेस्ट आपको अच्छे से देना, बिकॉज दैट विल प्ले क्रिटिकल रोल्स एंड यू हैव टू पास द टेस्ट केस, द सेम थिंग विच यू हैव डन अर्लियर. सो इट्स अ गुड थिंग फ्रॉम द TCS. नाउ friends, you can say within 10 to 15 days students are getting offer letter. So this is a good thing, and again congratulations, very congratulations to all of them. And either you have been part of our mock interview or not, but that's the good thing. And मैंने भी बहुत सारे 2-3 selections just started for off campus and we got the selection for digital. So again very congratulations. So post that you will be getting projects, and depending on the requirements and all those, you will be getting. So I hope you got the clarity what is there. But yeah, means if you have been means you have been allocated projects and the tech stack are not aligning with you, and suppose you have been trained for Java full stack or Android, and you are getting the project in testing, and you might get the project in ML projects, so they will give you the training again. So that's the meaning of retraining. Okay, so after getting training, if you are getting some different, if you are getting same domain, then that's okay, that you will able to perform all those stuff. But if you are getting new projects or new domain, then they will provide you retraining, and same thing will be there, but utna चाप नहीं रहेगा, means within 10 to 15 days will be training there, and they will allocate you to project. So this is the complete process. I hope your all doubt is clear. If you have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you, and I'm always here to help you in your journey too. Okay, so this is your just first step in TCS career. So again, very congratulations. Must comment your result, whether you got or not, and ready for your first job. So that's all. Thanks. And कोई भी query again कर रहा हूँ, you can follow me on Insta, Facebook, WhatsApp, जहाँ भी हो भाई, you can ask. It might take some time because बहुत सारे candidates का query आता, but I will reply you as soon as possible. No need to worry about this. So best of luck for your future journey, and just भैया थोड़ा enjoy कीजिए, because मैंने बोला था कि if you get the offer letter, after that you can enjoy. So now you can enjoy. Now it's your time. Now related to salary package, how much package you will get related to digital and prime, I'll make a dedicated video related to that. So don't just provide or take interview, be provide feedback, be provide selection. So again मिलते हैं next video में. All the best. Thank you.